Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently Sunday and I need to put my phone on do not disturb. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I am back. What I wanted to do is go ahead and put this $99 where it needs to go, because this is the rest of the money minus the $5 that I did save in my other category. So let's put this $99 to where it needs to go. I also went ahead and took Chris challenge, saving for the things that you want. I had $123, and I will put a screenshot somewhere on the screen so you can see. I moved all of that money to the cruise fund. Also, with the $99, I'm really not putting it all over the place, just a couple. So I'll go ahead and click on distribute, and this is the easiest. So from core savings, and I am going to go ahead and put $25 into my blessed budgets category. And I'll go ahead and reselect it again. And I'll put the rest between cruise, which cruise would get the most of the money, so $74. So let's go ahead and give cruise let's do $60. And for the rest, $14, let's go ahead and put that into let's go ahead and put it into, I really want to put it into cruise since I already saved money for my emergency fund. But let's go ahead and put it into fun, and this would be for the cruise as well. This is money that I will be spending since the cruise is in October. This is what everything looks like now. I did take some of the money from emergency to give to my sister, because when she sent me her $216 for that phone that I ordered for, y'all tell me why the phone doesn't work like it did work when she set it up. So now we just, well, I do, because she don't know what she doing, but I need to just send it back and get the refund for the phone, and also get a refund for the case, which will total up to $216. So I just went ahead and gave her her money versus having to wait for the refund. And when I do get the refund would go to my credit card and take care of that balance there. But wait a minute, it's not over. So tell me why my niece, the one that just got her license, ended up having a wreck by herself. Because y'all know how when you see an insect in your car and you're driving, you may end up panicking, and you know, all of that stuff with the brakes. I said that so backwards. I'm not editing this at all. She should have pressed the brakes, but instead she pressed the gas. And y'all, I'm going to insert pictures in here. Tell me why she have wrecked the car. And thank goodness, of course, the car is covered under insurance. But her mom, I'm so glad her mom has 2 other vehicles. Now, will her mom let her drive the 2 other vehicles? I highly doubt it. And Chris, I know you're going to watch this video eventually. Tell me why, after we got off your Saturday live, which I really enjoyed, by the way, and congratulations again for your first ever fall box sellout. Tell me why I got off the live and I was thinking, okay, so I can attend the Zoom meeting. Tell me why I totally forgot about the Zoom meeting when I could have truly attended. But that's how I'll have to edit this video. But y'all, yesterday after walking, I got a notification from Amazon saying your package was delivered, and I'm thinking, well, shoot, the package, I don't have it here. Tell me why I delivered the package that should have came to where I am to my mom's house, which she is 2.5 hours away. I'm so glad it wasn't anything very, very, very important, and I guess I'll see what I get once I go get it. But other than that, that's all the things that I can remember. And Nija, I did enjoy that video that you did in regards to should you pay off a house or would you prefer not to. Check her out, y'all. It is hot here. We are under some sort of heat advisory until from 11 a.m., which now it is 12 o'clock, until 8 p.m. tonight. And they're talking about the heat index getting as high as 105. So they're saying, you know, check on your relatives, check on your neighbors, drink as much water as possible. Pretty much just stay indoors. Now, I did not go walking today, but yesterday I did. I went walking on my first break. I also went walking on lunch, and I think I did pretty good. But for the ones that have been on cruises, I know Andra has. I don't really know about anyone else, but y'all, it's a lot of us that's in the budgeting community that are going on cruises this year. Now, this would be my first time going on a cruise. For the ones that have been, let me know what I need. I don't know what to take on a cruise. What can I expect? Let me know in the comments below. I know I need to go shopping. Y'all, it's crazy out here. But other than that, have a happy Sunday. Stay cool. Stay hydrated. Bye.